So you can 3D CAD little small pendants just like this, about a good 1.15 inches. And you can actually print these out and you can make them into 14 karat gold with VS diamonds. Now, if you were to do that, I can actually show you the numbers for you to actually do such a project like this. Now, this will help if you want to make, jewelry for either a product line or you want to have jewelry in display. So you can just actually make the jewelry and then sell it either online or in your jewelry store. So you can make a whole bunch of 3D CAD designs and just print them all out just like this. Same way as we printing out a few of these on this build plate. And then we'll cast them, diamond set them, and they'll go for sale. So this little cross project only costs about a good $25 just to do the CAD file. And then we printed it out, and now we're going to cast it in 14 karat gold. So here we actually have a breakdown going from the 3D CAD file. So it costs us $25 for a 3D CAD file. And then in the gold, it was about a good 1.65 grams in 14 karat gold. And it costs us about $126. And then we're using VS diamonds. The VS diamonds, we need about 16 diamonds, and they're 2 millimeter. It costs us about $417 for the VS diamonds. Our total cost in a project is actually $568. Now, rule of thumb, you can either charge ×3 of that number, or you can charge it ×2.5. So we times it by 2.5, and we got a total sales price of $1420. So we sold this piece at $1420, and we subtract what it cost us to manufacture this piece, we made a profit of $852. So we have a total of 12 of these pieces we're going to make, and if we sell all 12 of these pieces, we'll make a total profit of $17,040. So that's how you do your calculations. You want to try to get a little spreadsheet like this so you can know exactly your profit and loss and how much you actually profit out of it. So I hope the video helped. And if you need a list of suppliers so that you can process orders quickly, either have a supplier manufacture, send it back to you so you can deliver to your customer, or have manufacturers manufacture a portion of the project so you complete the other part, then make sure that y'all get our Millionaire Jewelers Wholesaler List. Click the link down in our description so you can get the list so that you can start processing orders quickly.